Do you need musical entertainment, public speakers, or celebrities for your next event? We are now accepting speaking engagements and musical entertainment for conferences, workshops, festivals, webinars, concerts, expos, fundraisers, community service activities, and more. Here are just a few of our award-winning motivational speakers and entertainers that are available for booking. Dr. Johnny Parker and Lezlyn Parker, relationship architects and life coaches. Billy Campbell, author and motivational speaker. Meredith Morgan aka Mission O, Christian hip-hop artist and youth speaker. Dr. Hattie N. Washington, educator, author, and inspirational speaker. Eric Reverence, international Christian singer, speaker, worship leader and youth ambassador. Thom Lourim, national recording artist and Christian fusion guitarist. Jacqueline Griffin, mother of ESPN NFL analyst RG3 and motivational speaker. To learn more information or to schedule a booking, call publicist Sean Hay at office 301-641-0814 or visit the website godsgiftentertainment.com.